So you ready to roll?
I'm ready to roll.
How old are you today?
Today I'm 82 years and 7 months.
82 years and 7 months.
Something like that.
Whew. You know what? I've been adjusting you for at least 16 years. No, 12 years. 12 years. When Amanda was born, right?
Right.
A little more than 12.
Yeah, she Bill had his birthday on the 4th of July.
Mm-hmm. Cross this leg over. There you go. Dropping. Have any vacations coming up soon?
Yeah, in fact I'm leaving tomorrow.
For where?
West Virginia. My youngest daughter is there.
Good.
For a week.
Then hold strong. Good. Here. 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 Drop. Bend this leg again, please. Hold. Here. Here. Drop. Bend. Hold. Here. 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 Drop. Bend. Hold strong. Here. Hold. Drop. Now pull with eyes closed. Bend. Hold. Here. Drop. Frank, you gotta get these shoes resoled.
Yeah, and I gotta get a new pair.
New pair, or you can get those resoled.
They don't do that anymore.
Yeah, there's a cobbler in town.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I remember when I was a kid, you used to go to the store and you buy the rubber soles with the glue and glue them on.
You can sit all the way up. That was yesterday, right? Long time ago or yesterday when you used to go buy that stuff?
About 70 years ago.
At least 70 years?
Somewhere around there.
Wait, come here. Come here. Turn to the camera and say hello to the world.
Hello to the world.
Okay, come on over here. Look and smile, and now do your joke.
I must be worth a fortune because I've silver in my hair, gold in my teeth, stone in my kidneys, lead in my feet, and gas in my stomach.
That's very funny.